I'm back, and today I am doing a pasta bake. I saw a recipe, liked bits of it, so I've changed it around a bit. So this is an experiment, let's hope it works. So we are doing tomato and halloumi pasta bake. So I've never actually had halloumi in something. I've only ever done it battered or breaded or just in the grill pan. So let's see how tasty this is. So first thing we need to do is to cook the pasta. So I've got a pan of boiling water, add some salt, and we're going to add 250 grams of penne pasta. That's what I've got. So you can use any shapes, I'm guessing will be fine, but I've got that in the cupboard. So once it's cooked, according to the packet, which is normally about 15 minutes, I'm going to drain it and then run it under cold water to stop it cooking and hopefully stop it sticking together. So come back after I've done that and we'll make a sauce. Once the pasta's done, rinsed and draining, we're going to heat half a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan on a medium heat. And to that we're going to add half a small onion which has been finely diced. And a clove of crushed garlic. And we're going to fry this for 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Once the onions have softened, we're going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. And a teaspoon of dried oregano and half a tablespoon of fresh basil. I've got the frozen one because it's a lot easier, so that's the same amount of the frozen one. We're going to give this a stir. Add some black pepper. And we're going to bring this to the boil. Once it's started boiling, we are going to put it down to a simmer and leave it to simmer for 10 minutes. While it's simmering, we're going to cook the halloumi. So I've got a large frying pan. I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil on. And I have got half a block of halloumi, which is just over 100 grams, and I've sliced it up like that. So we're going to lay that in the pan, and we're going to cook these for 1 or 2 minutes on each side. And once the halloumi's done, we're going to transfer it onto a plate. And then we're going to cut the halloumi into chunks. There we go. Okay, so by the time you've done the halloumi, your sauce should be ready. So we're going to bring back the pasta, pour in the pasta. Give that a stir. Add the halloumi. Stir that through as well. So you could just eat it like this because everything's cooked, so you could just go ahead and eat it, but we're going to give it a bake as well. So as I'm doing for two, so I've got a small casserole dish. I'm going to pour half of this in. And I've got 50 grams of low-fat cheddar, so I'm going to put half of that over. And then add the rest of the pasta. Sprinkle over the rest of the cheese. And this is going to go in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Wow, that smells amazing. Well, I'm going to dish this up and let's give it a try. Okay, let's give this a try and make sure I get some halloumi as well. Oh, it's such a simple flavour, but it's really, really good. I'm going to enjoy this. So keep experimenting, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye!